After we take off, I'll be good once we're in the air. I left my Xanax at home. You got some Xanax? I don't need one. I'm about to ask somebody on the plane for some Xanax. You got some Xanax? You got some Xanax? We over here hallucinating like that girl at the front of the plane.
Stop the plane! Stop it. No, I need to get off this plane right now. I need to get the off this plane. I'm telling you, I'm getting the off, and there's a reason why I'm getting the off, and everyone can either believe it or they cannot believe it. I don't give two but I am telling you right now, that mother back there is not real.
But yeah, I'll check in with y'all once we land. Y'all. She the GOAT. I ain't gonna tell you why. She the GOAT. I'll say. Y'all look. We are ready to go dancing, 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 and the lighting is so horrible.
And we about to crash this wedding.
Is that better?
Uh-huh.
Hey. It's not better.
Got my cornbread.
You want your cornbread?
My bed.
My bed.
My bed.
Bye y'all, we about to go dancing. Ari-la-ye, ara-la-ya, ari-la-ye, ari-ra-ra-ya, ari-ra-re, abay-ay-ay, ara-la-re-re-re-re-ra. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am headed off to lunch, book some excursions, and then it's wedding day for my Ellis. I'm so excited. Danielle, I wish you the best. Oh my god, you look so happy. I'm so happy for you and your boo. I can't wait to witness your nuptials today. Y'all, I'm excited. Let me show y'all my outfit. Hat, don't know where I got it from. It's old, it's wrinkly, as you can see. Necklace, again, from Amazon. It's the initial necklace. I got this Coverup from Shein, bathing suit from Target. It is Tabitha Brown collection. And the shoes are from Shein as well. So that's the outfit of the day. And I'm heading out. Bye.
Morning.
Y'all, it's so pretty outside. Oh my gosh. It is so nice here. Hola. It's so nice here. So I'm headed to the lobby and hopefully we can get these excursions going and then schedule our transportation from here to the airport on Sunday when we leave. So y'all, I'm so hungry. I ain't had breakfast. It was gonna take 120 minutes to do room service for breakfast, so I just decided to wait and get dressed. I'll just have lunch and that's it. So I'll check in with y'all later. My battery's going dead. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Thank you. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, thank you. Hi, are you having fun?
I am having fun.
Mommy's time out. All the moms out there, get your life, get your ass out the country, okay? Hey y'all, we're at the pool. Look at this thing right here. Hey, got a thighs out, child. About to take some pictures and then get ready for the wedding. Hey, so excited. Hey y'all, day 3. We're about to go on a party boat. It's Brittany's birthday. Happy birthday. Hey Lulaboo. Yeah, Trinita being all fast with her booty out. We're about to go on the party boat and get suntan, drink, eat. So all that good stuff. The wedding last night was amazing. It was so fun. I'm so happy for my girl. She looks so happy, y'all. Like super happy. My man is now my husband.
Big God bless for Captain Junior. He's trying to do it.
You can do it all by yourself. Oh, ski ski motherfucker. Oh, ski ski goddamn. It's fine. About 11 times. Can I play with your candlelight?
We never know the words after that part.
Never know the words after that part, y'all. Shame. Female twerking, shaking her clothes off. Oh, she naked. Don't disrespect me. About to get this done, son. Hi, welcome to the vlog. It's Francesca Jeanette. If I have not already done an intro, beauty, fashion, lifestyle blogger, and a home decor, house to home vlog. Thank you so much if you are new here for joining in on my home build journey with my husband and my family. I'm gonna try to look in the camera and not up here. So it's a little late in the day, so we may get all of this recorded, we may not. I'm going to be changing out our dining room light because we actually cleaned out our dining room finally, except for these boxes right here. That's office stuff, so that has to stay up here. Everything else is going down to the basement. So trying to get rid of some stuff over here just so it's all good. So I'm gonna try to switch this out. We have other lights we can work with in the house to provide lighting. So this is what it looks like right now. It is a black light, and when we get our basement done, we'll probably put this downstairs somewhere. I really don't know where else to utilize it, but that's it right there. And we're gonna switch it out for a gold light. Let me show you what it looks like, hold on. So this light is by Savoy House. This is the light, it's a 6-winged light. These little wings on the end spread out, and it is a brass color. I'll try to do a close-up for you guys. So this is it right here. This is what everyone will see. This is the top of it right here. Don't know how many feet it is. I don't know the dimensions, but I will post all that hopefully in the video frame. It comes with a little extender rod here and all the wiring that we need. I am thinking that I want it to come down the same length as this light. Can y'all see? Thinking I want it to come down the same length. And then that's gonna be that. But we shall see. I may film it, I may not. Just trying to get it over with at this point so I can clear this dining room out. So here we go. These to test them out. This is what I used on the porch outside to test them out before I bought the clear ones. But in here I'm going to use the clear ones, but for right now these are going to be what I use to test them out because that's quite frankly all I have. So they're these bulbs. I have 4 of them. I need 6. So more than likely tomorrow, once this is up, I'll go ahead and get the clear flame candelabra light. Excuse my ring light, is super bright. That black thing has to be unscrewed too. know, the black hook to get to the screw hole in that end. Or does the two screws stick? Words are black, ribbed is white. Y'all, I don't know why they expose that copper wire. Like, why don't they wrap all 3 wires, not together, but how they have the black and the white together? Why don't they do the copper wire the same, and then when you're ready to expose it, you can expose it? I hate how that copper wire is just standing out, if you could see. Like, it's just a sight for sore eyes. And I will be noticing it. I will. Everything should have been wrapped in that little goldish. You see how it's like exposed right there? They're kind of trying to keep it as close to the yellow cord as possible so it's not so noticeable. I don't know why they don't wrap that ground wire, but it is what it is.
Need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. down, I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it down.
Take two, y'all. I forgot the little thing, so we had to take it down and undo a chain and add that back. So hold on. Let me hold the drill.
I never stop for a break. I put a lock on the game. I put a stock in my name, but I give a fuck about the fame. I took a bite of that life and the taste of exquisite. It feel like you doing Bay boy from the cold seas. Nitro with a new pen, going ISO, tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, hey, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, I'm going, crazy, wave, hey, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah.
All right, y'all, the moment of truth. Let's see if it cuts on. Are y'all ready? I'm ready. All right, babe, turn it on. Yay, what? Success, success, success. Woohoo, it worked. Okay, so we're gonna turn the power back off and then finish the assembly. Make sure everything is level, even, because right now it's a little slanted, so yes. Turn it off.
You got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad, man. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They want bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. I need to hold a corner and it's slow wine. One time, I need to hold a corner and it's slow wine. One time, yeah. You got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad, man. Bad when you both combine.
Okay, y'all, here she is. She's a little slanted because we need to put bulbs over there. I don't know what's going on with the slantness. That'll be fixed once I finally get the bulbs I want. But it's so beautiful. There are the two missing bulbs because I am using some bulbs I have for some other lights. But I do have to adjust these because some of them are crooked. It's easy, you just have to kind of twist it to go the position you want it to go. But that's it. Once I get my bulbs, I'll show you all what they look like. But again, the goal is to do judges panels for this wall, probably up to here. The base will be white and then the top half of the wall will be painted black. So the gold chandelier will be bouncing off of the top half black portion of the wall. So stay tuned for that project. Once again, I want to thank my lovely, lovely husband for assisting me with this project because, well, for allowing me to assist him. He talking about assisting. Yes, he assisted me because that thing is heavy. Anyway, I love it, I love it, I love it. Stay tuned for more projects. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And do what?
Hit that subscribe button.
Okay. And tune in to the next video so you can see what we have up our sleeves for the next project. Once I get the bolts for this, I'll show y'all kind of the after picture. That might be in another vlog, it might be in this vlog. I don't know. But it's after 9 o'clock. Travis has to cut man's hair and then I have to give him a bath. So we gotta go do that so they can get ready for school tomorrow because it is Sunday night. So y'all let me know what y'all think of this in the comments. So if you've seen previous vlogs, you saw that I already put up my gold picture. I replaced the other pictures for the Z Gallery sconces. And we moved the other Ross pictures. Oh, you probably can't see that, sorry. We moved the other Ross pictures to the butler's pantry. If you could see it right here. And only thing left, I have to find some black shades for these. I had some, but they were kind of small and they didn't stay on there, especially when the door closed. So I might just end up getting some black battery operated candles with the remote and just let it be exposed candles. And then we have to put the mirror up. The mirror will probably go up next weekend. And I have a rug down here that's probably not staying, but I will put it down just until I get the rug that I want. Make sure you're subscribed so you can stay tuned for that. And again, my name is Francesca Jeanette. If this is the end of the vlog, I am inserting this clip here. If it's not, then we'll proceed to the next part of the vlog. But anyway, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. As of today, we're almost to 1,000. By the time you see this video, we'll probably be at 1,000 subbies. So thank you all so much for just coming back to the channel and supporting your girl and just interacting with me. I'm a stay-at-home mom for right now, so I love meeting new people. I love interacting with my fellow Boss Babe Squad and seeing what you all are doing in your own homes as well. So keep encouraging me as I'm keep encouraging you. Leave your YouTube handle below so that I can subscribe to your channel if you are on your home buying journey as well, or home decor journey. I love you all. I will see you all in the next vlog. Bye.